Biker bows actually attach to your helmet with zip ties, believe it or not. I add grommets to the bows to prevent the ribbon from fraying, and then the zip ties thread through the grommets and the zip tie mounts. Each bow comes with an alcohol swab so you can clean your helmet. I recommend starting with the center mount first, that way you can just center everything and get it placed exactly where you want. Hold that down for at least 30 seconds and then you're going to repeat on either side of the bow. After you've got the main mounts attached, you're going to remove the sticker from the Velcro on the tails. Now this isn't necessary to keep the bow on, but it keeps the tails from flapping around and then it prevents your ribbon from fraying in the wind. I like to take a minute to adjust the bow. I pull the center towards me and then I just fluff the little ears up like that. I just think it looks cuter from the front. And there you have it, your bow's all attached. I do recommend waiting about 24 hours before riding with it, but I've also ridden like immediately after and it was fine. So